Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll show you how to make chili paneer. This is a very simple recipe and needs very less time to prepare as well. Without further delay, let's check out the recipe. First, let's prepare the batter that is required to coat and fry the paneers. For that, we'll have to take about 3 tablespoons of maida and 5 tablespoons of corn flour, some salt and white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce and few drops of soya sauce. Add water enough to make the batter. The batter should not be too thin or too thick. Now drop in 250 grams of diced paneer. Coat them very well using your hands and then we have to deep fry this. The paneer cubes are ready. Now let's prepare the gravy. First, let's make a slurry by adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well and keep it aside. Now heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. To this add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger cut in juliennes and 2 green chilies. Also add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. Saute this for about 30 seconds on high flame. Now add diced capsicum and onion to this and saute for 1 minute on high flame. After 1 minute, add some salt and then add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix this all together and add some white pepper powder, also 2 tablespoons of water. After cooking this for 1 minute, add the cornstarch slurry to the vegetables to thicken the gravy. Mix and drop the fried paneers to this and saute for another 1 minute. Also, if you are liking this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes, and also to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new recipes. Finally, garnish with some spring onions and white sesame seeds. Our chili paneer is ready to serve. Serve them hot with some ketchup and enjoy. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. So till we meet next with another exciting video, take care and bye bye.